This is Tom. Tom uses automated storage and retrieval systems from Kardex Remstar. In the past, without a service contract with remote support and agreed reaction time, he called the Kardex Remstar help desk in the event of a machine error. Longer waiting times were possible. The next day, a technician fixed the error on site. Still, Tom had unnecessarily long downtimes. But Tom was clever. Today he has a Kardex Remstar service contract, including remote support and a guaranteed reaction time. In case of a warning, he now simply presses the remote support button. This is Peter. Peter is a help desk technician at Kardex Remstar and responds immediately. After Tom's authorization, Peter remotely connects to the system and has all information at hand. He analyzes the situation, quickly finds the right solution, and fixes the problem by remote repair without an on-site visit. This saved Tom costly downtime for his operations. Peter also points out that the system maintenance will be due soon and asks Tom to make an appointment. Tom is excited about the modular life cycle service from Kardex Remstar. Thanks to his contract, including remote support and a guaranteed reaction time, his problem was fixed remotely in no time, and his operations are up and running again. What about you? Save time, money, and energy, and be happy, just like Tom.